I know what you're saying because I felt that too. And this whole thing of this is a difficult place to be in, and it's very hard if you're from outside, and you'll go down the wrong road. That's a very common perception that people had. A lot of my family members also used to say that to my parents. But tell me something, because you are not from the industry, and you know this is the perception that is built up about it. How do you continue dreaming to be this, to become an actor? You know what I'm saying? There's a natural restraint that is somehow is unsaid, but it's there, right? That it's difficult, it's hard. But so how do you continue feeling motivated and focused to work towards this place?
So when I came to Bombay, my mother had made it very clear that I'm giving you 1 year, Anya. And if within that year you don't get something, you're coming right back, and I'm sending you to pursue your master's. Because my mother was very keen that I studied. So when I came to Bombay, I had the pressure of not only a timeline, but also like, will I get anything? Then as time passed, months went, and I went for auditions, and I didn't get anything. There were a lot of times when I questioned myself, and I was like, was this the right choice? I gave up everything, and I came to Bombay not knowing anybody, not only from the industry, but even outside. I had like 2 friends in Bombay. So was this the right choice? But then, since the first movie that I watched in my life, which was Dil To Pagal Hai on screen, it stuck on. So obviously there was something in me that kept pushing me and saying that, listen, your entire life you wanted to do this. Just give it a shot and just keep trying. Chalo, you have 1 year. That 1 year at least push yourself and go for every audition possible. You'll get something. So I think that is what really motivated me, the fact that this was my dream, and I gave up everything for my dream. So I felt like I had to get it, and I was here to get it. So, yeah.
Nice. And how is it working with Yash Raj Films to be launched by the banner?
I mean, I can't believe this has happened with me. It's very surreal. It's anyone's dream, I feel, to be launched by such a prestigious banner. And Yash Raj is now family, I feel, I don't feel like I'm a new person, because I feel like I have a whole family backing me. So if I have a question, if I'm uncertain about something, I know that there are 30 people I can go up to and be like, listen, I'm really confused. Can you help me with this? Which, if I wasn't a part of this family, I think I would have been very nervous and lost. Yeah.
Which is the best thing, right? Because while they give you that support, and you can always go to them with any kind of when you're feeling a little hesitant about something, but at the same time, you're also always made to be your own person, and they encourage that. They encourage you to be the person that you are and to not become like anybody. And when you come from outside the industry, there's no sense of kind of familiarity or any kind of baggage that I have to be a certain way, or this is how an actor must be and should be. And I think that is encouraged here, which is what I think, I should share with you all also, which is what I think is most amazing about Yash Raj Films, that you're always encouraged to become your own person. And whoever you are, you build up on that. And that's why it's, of course, with Yash Raj being such a big banner, but that's another thing which I think is equally important and helpful. No?
Definitely. I agree with you completely, because they do encourage you to be your own person, and at the same time, they'll help you with whatever, and they'll keep motivating you and pushing you. And I think they've given me a lot of confidence, which is something I was lacking because I'm so unfamiliar with this world. So I think that's something they really gave me. Like this. It was them that said, you can do this. So yeah.
You look lovely. Now, how is it working with Aadar? You all should know that I've recently worked with Aadar. Aadar was assisting Karan Johar in Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. And he's a very talkative boy, as you all must have already experienced. So how is it working with him? He's extremely entertaining. He always has some stories to tell.
Aadar is an extremely entertaining person. Like, just his being is very entertaining. I can watch him and be in splits. He talks a lot. He has a great sense of humor. He has these wonderful one-liners. And I was always entertained on set. I was always in splits. Even during a really serious scene, I had to actually go to another room. So I was away from Aadar because he was always making me laugh. But the other thing about Aadar is that he has a very short span, attention span. So you could be talking to him, you could be this close to him, but he's not listening to you. Like he's just in his own world, and I could be like, Adar, does not care. Doesn't matter who you are, you know what you're saying. So that's just one flaw he has, I'd say. But it was wonderful working with him. I think it's nice because this is both our first film. So starting a journey together, learning so many things together. It was because we both were equally excited about everything. First day on set, first day of shoot, this press conference. So everything is just has been a wonderful journey together.
Anya, you're lovely and very charming. And whatever interaction that I've had with you today, it's been so refreshingly honest that I hope you do really, really well and your first film is very successful and your work is highly appreciated. I'm hearing very good things about your work. So I wish you all the best. And now we can maybe have a Q&A with the media and open questions to our lovely media here. Hi, guys. So if any questions, please feel free to ask Anya.
आन्या, मेरा नाम आलोक है
जी, आप
हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में आपका स्वागत है।
थैंक यू सो मच।
सवाल ये है आपसे कि जैसा मैंने अभी आदर से भी पूछा था कि कल की रात कैसी गुजरी जब आपको पता था कि हमसे मुखातिब होना है आपको?
सच बोलूँ तो मैं बिल्कुल सोई नहीं हूँ। मैं सुबह उठी तो मुझे पता था कि 9 बजे हमारी पिक्चर्स जा रही हैं सोशल मीडिया पे। तो मैं वेट कर रही थी। मैं 4 और लोगों के साथ रहती हूँ फ्लैट में। तो हम सब साथ में बैठ के वेट कर रहे थे पिक्चर्स आने के लिए। और मैं इतनी एक्साइटेड थी कि मैंने फिर आदर को फ़ोन किया जो सो रहे थे और उनको उठाया और बोला पिक्चर्स आ गए हैं, उठो। तो हाँ, मैं बिल्कुल सोई नहीं, एक्साइटमेंट की वजह से और नर्वसनेस वो भी था।
अनुष्का, आपको पहला दिन याद आता है जब आप मीडिया से मुखातिब हुई थी? वो थोड़ा वो बताएं ज़रा।
लविंग योर वर्ड्स। मुखातिब हुई थी, वाह।
मुखातिब।
लवली। कोई नहीं भूल सकता है वो दिन। वो आपका सबसे डरावना दिन होता है। बिकॉज मैं जानती थी कि शाहरुख मुझे इंट्रोड्यूस करने वाले हैं आप सब से। तो एक थोड़ा सा कंफर्ट था बिकॉज मैं ऑटोमेटिकली उनकी प्रेजेंस में काफ़ी कंफर्टेबल हो जाती थी। मैंने पूरी पिक्चर करी थी उनके साथ। लेकिन फिर भी आपको कोई प्रिपेयर नहीं कर सकता इस चीज़ के लिए बिकॉज आपको पता नहीं है आप कैसे, आपको क्या सवाल पूछे जाएंगे, आप उस चीज़ को कैसे हैंडल करेंगे। मुझे एक चीज़ से बहुत थोड़ा डर लग रहा था। वो था कि मैं बहुत तेज़ बोलती हूँ। तो मुझे बार बार सब बोल रहे थे कि ज़ोर के मत बोलना, आराम से बोलना। और मुझे पता है कि अगर मैं धीरे बोलने लग जाती हूँ तो मैं भूल जाती हूँ मैं क्या बोल रही थी, क्योंकि मेरा दिमाग इतनी तेज़ चलता है। तो मुझे लगा वो सोचेंगे कि मुझे बोलना ही नहीं आता अगर मैं तेज़ नहीं बोल पाऊंगी तो, क्योंकि मेरी नॉर्मल स्पीड है, मैं तो ऐसी बात करती हूँ। तो वो सब कुछ चल रहा था और 1000 चीज़ें चल रही थी। मेरी मम्मी ने मुझे बोला था ऐसे मत करना, वैसे मत स्माइल करना, ये मत करना। फिर मोनिका जो यहाँ पे है उन्होंने मुझे बोला था ये पूछेंगे तो ऐसे बोल देना, वो पूछेंगे तो वैसे बोल देना। तो इतने सारे लोगों ने मेरे सिर के अंदर चीज़ें डाली हुई थी कि मेरे को लग रहा था मैं बस वहाँ पे जाके मैं ऐसे ब्लास्ट हो जाऊँगी ऐसे। With so much information that was in my head. But it went so nicely because of Shah Rukh and he was so wonderful to me. And you guys were so nice to me. So thank you so much. And really, उस दिन से I think एक relationship बन जाता है आप लोगों के साथ, जो आप लोगों ने बहुत ही मेरे को welcoming, एक relationship। तुम तो थे भी नहीं मनोज, तुम क्या हंस रहे हो? हाँ, तुम तो अभी आए हो बेटा।